JB, I don't think that's chalk.
Nah, bro. This
Bro,
is organic stuff.
You sure?
It's natural.
Oh.
It's natural. Oh no, you're gonna break. Yep, you're gonna break that, bro. Bird's like mine now. But who eats fish like that? What? Where is that? Like, where do they eat fish like that?
Einfach den Gully hier rausgenommen hat. Wir zeigen, wie der Hase läuft.
Oh mein!
He hit it perfectly, bro. Oh, was that a cat? Bro. Oh, congratulations, you broke your fridge. Why? Bro, you broke your dishwasher. All the appliances are dying today. Monkey not happy. The monkey ain't happy at all. Oh, bro, what the heck? Why is he wearing a microwave?
These are 2 for $3.50. Yeah, no shit. She works here.
Oh, bro, that kid's about to get the hell slapped out of him. Oh, bro.
Oh God, no.
Yo, that's a death rattle if I've ever seen one. Bro, what? He's just intimidating. Oh! He was not happy. What the heck is all that? Is he just sitting there to evidence to his friend or something? Yo, what? Is that a cat? Is that a kid? How are they? Oh no! He dropped the kitten.
It's more like feeling good. Fuck, you know what I mean? What was that?
Oh, gone, never to be seen again. Yo, I know you would like that. Bro, man hit it so hard they lost power. That's insane. Oh, bro, everything's this man's day. He rolled a nat 1 for both those tasks. Oh, again!
No, cause, bro.
Yo, what the?
Why do you have abs?
Oh man, he doesn't. Does he not know? How does he not know? How do you not know? How do you not see that? Ah. Oh, and it's gone. Yo, man is hungry.
What the f?
Abby, look at
Who eats fries like that? Bro.
this. Bon voyage.
That's so funny. What? Oh shit!
Yo.
Oh, what the fuck?
What?
Oh, no!
What?
Bro!
How?
Bro! Oh, no way!
Did they drive through a puddle? That's gotta be it, right? Oh, that car is screwed. Oh, what is that? What? Is that a turtle? That's a turtle. I think. Is that a turtle? I don't know what that is. Somebody tell me what that is in the comments. I have no clue. Bro, what is that stance? That is not a lifting stance.
How the fuck is it still on? These shits is tracking devices.
Oh,
This shot my whole
bro,
phone.
how's that thing still working?
Crunch when you're 50.
Cinnamon Toast Crunch.
2 divorced, broke, and 3 life-sucking children.
What? Oh my goodness, they're so small. I love them. They're so tiny. They get bigger.
Me when I lose a video game online, and fuck that shit.
Bro, what?
Dr. Pepper.
Dr. Pepper. Bro, that kid is... What is with kids nowadays? Bro. Oh, that was an ultimate fail. Are you trying to open a coconut with your teeth? Did you? Yeah, don't. Yeah, you chipped your tooth. The all-holy kitten. You must give it pats now.
I'm with all the grown men in the corn.
Yo, that looks fun. I want to do that. I want to go out and do that. He's stuck. He's stuck. Yep. That's what Apple users get when they buy $1,000 phone.
You're actually fucking joking right now. No, I will literally fix it when I get paid. No, but you've been telling me this for months. Sorry, I don't mean. Why are you fucking
Oh. Oh. Yo. What the heck? Yep. Yo, what? The car got the hops.
Me bald headed. I said, bitch, where? She said, under all that weave. I said, bitch, where? Right there, not you!
Oh, she did her so dirty.
Disrespectful.
Dude, Isaac, you gotta come look at this, man.
Yo, what the? When they invent conveyor chairs?
It's for dinner. It's rotten.
What is that? Dude, that's dog food, baked beans, and stale bread and fries. Bro, I don't understand how. I don't understand.
What?
If you don't bloody like it, you can make your own fucking dinner.
Bro, why people in England like eating like it's World War II still? What the heck is going on?
Oh shit!
Why would that happen? Oh. Yo, what the heck? The Canadians are invading. Everybody, get ready. Oh. Oh. Yo. He broke his ankles. Oh no. He's gonna try. Oh. Bro, how'd he get so high? Oh. Gone. Reduced to ashes. Yes. Yes, I agree. I'd slap that little bastard so hard. Good times. That was cool. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a like and subscribe. If you want to catch one of my streams live, check out my Twitch at LT_code, linked in the description. Follow my Twitter for YouTube upload announcements and stream announcements. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time.